Well, folks, we got a big problem here. This here washing machine is being a son of a bitch. Started leaking and causing all kind of problems. You can see I've moved everything in here except for the cat box. I moved a cabinet that was over there too. And man, it's been hell. I've been in here all day trying to fix this damn thing. First I thought it was a water heater leaking, but it's not the water heater. We got this in 2007, so it's really not that old. It's just a couple of years old. But the washing machine leaks water when it gets to the rinse cycle, and it's actually leaking up in here. I think the seal is busted up in here. There's no leaks in this stuff here or over here. So all this is okay. I checked this down here where it pumps the water out. No leak there. So the leak is up in here. Somewhere in there. And it's probably going to cost a whole lot to fix, so I'll probably just need to just get a new one. So that's probably what we'll do. But that stinks. It was working fine the other day. But you know, things break, things get old. We've had this since like 1999 or 2000. Kenmore Elite. This is also a Kenmore Elite dryer. The dryer's in pretty good shape. We clean it out every time and take good care of it. It's working better. Hopefully this won't break. But this works pretty good. It worked pretty good until now. But that's all I got to say. We'll have to get a new washer. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.